Wisconsin set a record number of COVID deaths today, and we learned that at roughly the same time that state and local leaders were begging people to alter their holiday plans. Angelica Sanchez live tonight with what you need to know if you do plan to gather with friends and family on Thursday.
That's right, Ted. Well, health experts say that there's typically a rise in cases immediately following a holiday. The concern now is we are approaching a major holiday, one that's typically celebrated indoors with a large group.
It has been a long journey for everyone since the pandemic began in March.
COVID-19 is spreading fast around our community and across the nation.
Still, Milwaukee city and county leaders say the pandemic is entering new territory.
This holiday season, it's really better to be safe than sorry.
Health officials say colder weather is approaching, which increases indoor gatherings. Several holidays typically spent indoors with large groups are also lining up.
Celebrate at home.
The health department says the safest way to celebrate Thanksgiving is virtually or with members of your own household. They encourage people prepare traditional dishes and set up virtual calls. They also encourage them to decorate their homes as it helps with one's mental health. But they do have tips for those choosing to gather with others.
And if you do decide to gather, we want to make sure that you are gathering wisely.
Some of the tips are to keep the gathering small. Everyone in the gathering should wear a mask, practice social distancing, and wash their hands. They say you should open a few windows to ensure proper ventilation.
Just because you feel well doesn't mean that you're in the clear.
The health department strongly discourages large gatherings, especially those happening indoors with buffet or potluck-style dinners. They want to remind the public it can take up to 14 days for symptoms of COVID-19 to appear after one has been exposed.
We know that an end is in sight. There's vaccines that are effective, but we have to get through this winter.
While the journey has been long, now is not the time to let your guard down.
Now, a reminder that all 3 COVID-19 testing sites run by the Milwaukee Health Department will be closed on Thanksgiving. We have more tips from the Health Department on how you can safely celebrate Thanksgiving at fox6now.com. Reporting live outside City Hall, Angelica Sanchez, Fox 6 News.
It's a tight line to walk for sure. All right, Angie, thank you.